Okay, welcome back to one of my small videos on helping students to understand and master the reasoning part of the 11 plus, which is the mathematical reasoning, reading the questions in English, understanding them, making a little plan, a program, how they're going to do the question and getting on with that. So this is from the book 9 to 10, question number 9, test 15. Let's get started without any further delay. So let's have a look at the scenario. Dominic wants to read 24 books in a year. By the summer, he has read 1/4 of them. How many does he have left to read? Now, students typically see the number 1/4 and their question all of a sudden comes about a quarter. But the question goes, how many does he have left to read? So now, if we draw a circle and we divide the circle into quarters, so that's our books that we got to read. He has to read 24 books. If you divide 24 into quarters, that will give us, so each quarter is worth 6 books. It says he has read a quarter. He's read a quarter means that's done. How many does he have left to read? So he has 1, 2, 3 quarters left. If you have consumed a quarter, then you have 3 quarters left to consume. So we can either look at that in the diagrammatically or by thinking about the fractions. So the question really is this: what is 3 quarters of 24? Now, I've already done it in a graphical sense. Let's do it now more mechanically. So if you want to work out 3 quarters of 24, we use our method. We divide by the bottom number, which is 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So we work out a quarter. Then we multiply by the top number because we want 3 quarters, 3 lots of 6. And that gives us 18. And if you look diagrammatically, that's 6 at 6 at 6. And that also gives you 18. So our answer is he has 18 books left to read. Okay, this is where the students are slipping up. They see the quarter and they start running with the quarter and they'll put 6 as the answer. And they'll forget the last line, how many does he have left? So we have to interpret the quarter, meaning quarters being consumed, 3 quarters left to be read, 3 quarters of 24 is 18. I hope that helped. So please, children, read the work, the sentences carefully. Make sure you have the right level of interpretation. Use the diagram if that helps. Write down what the question means to you. Execute the question with the method that you've been taught, and bam, you'll get the answer right every single time. Good luck on the exam.